In this class, we're going to talk about formatting cells. Excel formatting commands will let you draw attention to specific sections of your workbook and make your text easier to view and understand. You may also apply number formatting to Excel exactly what type of data you're using in the workbook, such as $, percentage, how many decimal points, etc. I'm going to start changing the font style in this example. I'm going to start selecting cell number D1. As of now, my font style is Calibri and size 11. If I wanted to change it to a different font style, I click the drop-down arrow next to the Calibri, the font style, current font style right now, and lay my mouse on any of the other font style that I wanted to change. You may also notice there is a drop-down bar or the scroll bar next to it, and you can scroll all the way to see which other font style available. Okay, I'm going to select this Comic Sans MS. The next thing is, if you wanted to change it one number at a time, the size of it, you can simply click on the A with the up arrow. A with the down arrow will shrink. Or you can specifically say what number you want by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to the number and choose the precise number you want. The next thing I wanted to show you is these buttons, bold, italic, underline. If I want this cell number D1 to be bold type, I can click on the B. If I want to unbold it, click on the B one more time, will unbold it. Same thing with italic. Clicking once will turn it on. Clicking one more time, again will turn it on. In the underline, I can do a single underline, or if you click the arrow next to it, there is also a double underline as well. If you don't want it, you can just click it back on it, and you will still seeing the underline. You can click one more time again to turn it off. But this one is to fill the color on the cell that you selected. I can click the drop-down arrow and I can lay my mouse on any of the particular color that I'm interested in and see what is the best color to go with. The last one in this font group is the font color itself. Right now it is a black color. I can click the drop-down arrow and I can change it to yellow, red, or I can change it to any other color of my choice. I'm just going to keep it as a black color.
This training is brought to you by the Electronic Services Division of the Akron Summit County Public Library. Thank you for watching.